Hello, this is Nindy Kerr, and today we are going to learn how to cut, well, it's kind of hard to see, but this paper is printed on this side and this side. And Stampin' Up! Has been doing that a lot lately. So I thought I would show you a good way to cut it. So you'll have to look at the pattern and decide whether you want 5 1/4 inches. So we will try it out at 5 1/4. And that leaves a lot of empty space. We do get both butterflies. We have a high one and a low one. I think we'll do it at 4 inches because this is a sideways design. Alrighty, so cut at 4 inches. Then we will cut at 5 1/4. Okay, now let's make a card. I like using thick basic white for card bases. And since I generally only use it for card bases, I'm just going to make 2 card bases at once. Score at 4 1/4 down the long side. And then flip it over. And we'll cut at 5 1/2. There we go. 2 card bases at once. There we go. Now we will glue it on with Tombow glue. Make sure we know where our fold is. Although if you do put it on upside down, just cut on the fold and glue it to another card base. You can tell I've done that a few times. This is going to be for my grandson and for his birthday. So we'll use Memento ink. Probably did it the wrong way. Nope, did it okay. Then we'll add some dimensionals to it. Okay, let's decide where we want it. Yes, you can see the glue through it. maybe this one would be better to do stamp and seal with. Okay, let's decide where we want it. And there we go, a quick card made with edged pat printed designer series paper. So have fun using your edge printed designer series paper and a punch and stamp. Thanks for watching. Please sign up for my newsletter. It'll be in the description below. And thanks again for watching. Bye.